Prancer was going too fast on the surface. Well, he wasn't going too fast, but he started hitting some bumps and nosed over and flipped into the water. And he's got a rescuer coming in with his plane right now. Now is when you hold him for ransom. Just stop right there. Hey, I like your anchor. Low tech. That's the way to go. There you go. Oh man. I got a towel you can use. Oh, your battery hadn't popped in. I wouldn't put it right there. Somebody on a bike will run right over it. Thanks, that was nice of you. But not the motor? Okay.